Welcome to my teaching channel again. In this set of 5 videos, I'd like to demonstrate most basic skills of using Stata to do data cleaning and manipulation. I split an entire very long video file into 5 shorter ones so that it's easier for you to locate the topic that you are interested in. Before we start, make sure that you have 2 files on your desktop. The first one is gss2014.dta. This is the data file that we are going to use to show the demonstration. The second one is called SOC5070 stata1 and 2.do. This is the do file. And also in this do file, I have detailed comments for you so that you can have a text or say kind of literature at your hand and have a better understanding of what's going on here in this teaching videos. So let's get started from the first video.